Thank you so much. Hi, everyone. So I'm going to be quick, just to give you a little bit of idea what we've done in 2024. In general, the Oncology Workgroup has one goal, which is enabling observational cancer research. And starting last year, we started focusing very, very specifically on our use cases. What we did was to compile a large list of use cases that have been submitted by the community and use this, did a thorough review and assessment during the OHDSI European Symposium, identified the requirement in terms of the vocabulary, the model, and also surveyed a series of data partners in terms of the availability of the data. That's something that we constantly do, periodically review and update it. And in the next part of these use case-driven strategy, we started looking at very, very systematically looking at the readiness of our data partner for oncology evidence generation. Do we have the data with the right, basically granularity to look into metastases or genomic information or the histology of the tumor? Are they mapped correctly? And what are the basically impediments that we need to address? This is specifically important for us because it helps us identify what kind of support our data partners or the community needs, what do we need to do, and how do we need to prioritize the work that we're doing in the Oncology Workgroup. Next slide. So this year, we're going to continue the work. Again, we want to do observational cancer research, and we want to keep the use case as the forefront or as our guiding principles. We've divided the work in 2025 into 3 subcategories. The first being community support and collaboration, basically establish this and make it better. Our wiki is due for an update, similar to Book of OHDSI or a lot of other things that are happening. And our goal is this year to have a revamp on our wiki page and have an updated wiki with a clear description of what's happening and what do we need to do and what not. We're also planning to contribute to Book of OHDSI by adding a chapter on oncology. The second piece is working on high-quality oncology OHDSI data network, continuing the work that we did with the data readiness assessments, fixing the impediments, helping and supporting the data partners in fixing some of the issues and helping them get to the right level where they can comfortably and reliably answer and do oncology studies. And using that, we're going to have a use case-driven vocabulary improvement. What are the things that we still haven't addressed? Based on the use case, we can prioritize the work and continue working on that. And finally, in line with a lot of the things that we've been talking about and everything that we've been doing in the very dry January and moving forward is evidence generation. One of our biggest work would be to contribute on the guideline-driven evidence generation with the work that we're doing on metastatic bladder cancer, working with the 2024 EAU guideline on muscle-invasive and metastatic bladder cancer. We have also a series of oncology studies. I introduced the metastatic non-small cell lung cancer study-a-thon happening next month. We have a few other studies that we're going to continue to support and finalize. We aim to have multiple abstract submissions for clinical communities in addition to OHDSI and elsewhere, including ESMO and ASCO. Participations are welcome and needed. Please join us. We would love to have you. And also, as we said, we have the use cases. The use cases are our guiding principle. We have basically a plan or a system for regular update of the use case, and then regular assessment of where our priorities should be and how we should continue with the work. So that's it. We meet close to 6 times a month within the 3 subgroups that we have. One is focused on the genomic work, one on vocabulary and development, and the other is only focused on research and doing studies. Let me know. I will be happy to have more and more friends and colleagues to collaborate with. Thank you very much.